What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to humanely kill a bluegill if you're going to keep it. You don't want to put it in a cooler and just let it suffocate. This looks gruesome, but it's a really quick death, so it won't suffer. You're going to put your bluegill on the ground, and you're either going to take a rock and smash its head, or you're going to punch it in the face a few times. And yeah, that's the most humane way to kill one. Like I said, this doesn't look very humane. I can already see you guys commenting. It's the quickest death that you can get it, and if you just throw it in the cooler, it's just going to suffocate. And the fish might be twitching afterwards, but that's just its nerves going crazy. It's not alive. I hope this tutorial helped, and make sure to follow for more.